Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue with Cummins ISX engines, priming the fuel system. It's crucial after fuel filter changes or if the engine has been sitting for a while. Air in the fuel lines can prevent the engine from starting. Let's get started. First, locate the fuel filter housing. Usually, it's on the driver's side of the engine. You'll see a priming pump on top or near it. Now, let's talk about the priming procedure. There are typically two types of priming pumps. Some are manual pumps, which you'll pump by hand. Others are electric. For a manual pump, loosen the bleed screw on top of the fuel filter housing. It's usually a small screw. Now, start pumping the manual priming pump. You'll feel resistance as the fuel begins to flow. Keep pumping until fuel comes out of the bleed screw without any air bubbles. Once you see a steady stream of fuel, tighten the bleed screw. Make sure it's snug, but don't over-tighten it. Next, try starting the engine. It might take a few tries, but it should start. If it doesn't start, repeat the priming process. For an electric pump, turn the ignition key to the on position, but don't start the engine. The electric pump should start running automatically. Let it run for a minute or two. You might hear the sound of fuel circulating. Then, try starting the engine. Again, it might take a few tries. If it still doesn't start, check for any fuel leaks. Look around the fuel filter housing and fuel lines. If you find any leaks, fix them before trying again. Another thing to consider is the fuel level in the tank. Make sure you have enough fuel. A low fuel level can also cause starting problems. In some cases, you might need to use a scan tool to prime the fuel system. This is more common on newer engines. The scan tool can activate the fuel pump and purge the air from the system. Refer to your engine's service manual for specific instructions. Sometimes, after changing fuel filters, the engine may start, but runs rough for a while until all the air is purged. Let the engine idle to smooth out. Remember safety first. Wear gloves and eye protection when working with fuel. Clean up any spills immediately. Dispose of used fuel filters properly. Priming the fuel system is a simple process. By following these steps, you can get your Cummins ISX engine running smoothly again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Your support allows me to create more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll do my best to answer them.